Hi friends, this is Imran. We will discuss about Indian geography, most important bits and previous paper bits, and to be continued expected of these bits. Who prepared groups, group 1, group 2, school assistant social, and also DSC, SGT candidates. India's position in the world in terms of area: 1. Second place, 2. 8th place, 3. 7th place, 4. First place. Answer is 3. 7th place. It is a peninsula. 1. China, 2. Great Britain, 3. India, 4. Sri Lanka. The answer is 3. India. India is a peninsular land. The state of Chhattisgarh fall under this geographical zone in India: 1. North India, 2. South India, 3. Northeastern states, 4. Central India. The answer was Central India. Chhattisgarh is located at the zone of Central India. The following is a country larger in area than India: 1. Australia, 2. Germany, 3. Argentina, 4. Mongolia. The answer is 1. Australia. The state of Andhra Pradesh belongs to this geographical region of India: 1. Central India, 2. East India, 3. West India, 4. South India. The answer option 4, South India. Geographically, our country is divided into 6 zones. Accordingly, the state of South India: 1. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, 2. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, 3. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Kerala, 4. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Friends, the answer option 2, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. The smallest continent: 1. Asia, 2. Africa, 3. Australia, 4. Antarctica. The answer is option 3, Australia. Andhra Pradesh border sharing states: 1. Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Odisha, Telangana, 2. Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, 3. Odisha, Telangana, Karnataka and Kerala, 4. Odisha, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Friends, the answer is option 2, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka. State and union territories presently in India: option 1, 28 and 8, option 2, 28 and 9, option 3, 29 and 8, option 4, 29 and 9. The answer is option 1 28 and 8. The mountains that divide India into North and South India. Option 1 Aravalli Mountains, option 2 Nilagiri Mountains, option 3 Vindhya Mountains, option 4 Ajanta Mountains. The answer is option 3 Vindhya Mountains. The following is the main religion that teaches peace. Option 1 Hindu, option 2 Buddhist, option 3 Jain, option 4 2 and 3. Answer is option 4 2 and 3 Buddhist and Jain. Languages in India. Option 1 1752, option 2 1652, option 3 1852, option 4 1952. The answer is option 2 1652. Which of the following is not an integral part of the natural zones in East India? Option 1 Bihar, option 2 Jharkhand, option 3 Chhattisgarh, option 4 Odisha. The answer is option 3 Chhattisgarh. Sikkim falls under the following zone in terms of natural zones. 1 East India, 2 North India, 3 Himalayan India, 4 Northeast India. The answer is 4 Northeast India. A river that originates in Himalayas and flow through India, Nepal and Bangladesh. The Ganges, option 2 the Brahmaputra, option 3 Tapati, option 4 Damodar river. The answer is option 1 the Ganges. Okay friends, did you like this video? Please subscribe the channel and share the videos to your friends. Okay, thank you to one and all.